quarter. Clean this up some here, and we'll see what we have where and what, when, why, and how. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully something comes to me as I get this thing cleaned up here. I got a couple ideas. You knew that was gonna happen. I want to make these look like steps getting up there, since I can miss the back, so I can have, looks like this whole front area here will have steps, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Let's see here. We'll just keep playing with it here, and we'll see what we got. Yeah, I kind of like that. Little lighthouse up here. You can draw a little door on here. Little dots up there for light. I mean for the light. Yeah. Let's see if I can this part here without breaking anything. So this is basically what I'm gonna do. Run it all through the greens. I'll bring you back when I get it done. All right, I did it up to 240. I'm gonna put some finishing wax on it, and then probably part it off in this area here. I was hoping this would look a lot better, but it doesn't, so I'm gonna get rid of it. The steps. Ya, Paco, no. Paco, sabe, What do I do? Doesn't have to dry. Sure. No demos. Let's put one coat's good. That was just to see what it looked like. See if I like doing little ones. I'll get better at them, you know. So for now, let me go ahead and part this bad boy off and call it another video. see some big pieces flying off. All right, that's fine for the front. For here, but I don't want to lose it in the back. So let's see if I can use a bowl gauge in there and maybe salvage it. All right, here's what we got. All right, not too bad. A little small version. Lighthouse on a cliff. Not too shabby. All right, thank you all for sticking around to the end. If you like what you saw, appreciate a little check mark on the subscribe and the like, and even a little notification. So I'll be hopefully putting one up a day for a while. I'm retired, so you know I got the time. Give me something to do. Kind of like learning. I enjoy it. It's peaceful out here. So, anywho, I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.